Happy New Year to all the viewers, and we hope that 2021 brings lots of happiness. Though 2020 was slightly on a disaster side, and many of them have lost their lives. So I hope that 2021 brings lots of happiness for you all. So coming on to the markets, myself Brijesh Bhatia here, editor and research analyst at Equity Master. So 2020, I would like to throw some how the decade has gone for equity markets, especially the Nifty in 2020. So couple of milestones to see into the when we are ending 2020. First is for the first time in the history of Nifty, we have seen 8 consecutive weeks markets have hit all-time high, new all-time high, and this is the first time we are witnessing such thing happening. I'm sure that most of the global indices which have history of more than a century might have not seen such kind of historic moves, but Nifty I think has done it. I'm not sure about the global markets, but I'm guessing that this is the first time Nifty has seen. And second important, after a decade in Q4 2020, we have seen maximum or highest returns on a quarterly basis with Nifty with gaining more than around 24%. And last we have seen what with more than 24% was in Q2 2009. So this decade, a best quarter to end the decade, to end the dramatic year of 2020. So such is the 2020 has played and it been an historical move. And if in terms of volatility, we haven't seen such kind of year from all-time high uh, to down to 7511, back to new all-time high and above those. A dramatic move, and I would say the volatility player, those who are trading options, will be the most beneficial from this. Coming on to the sector which has played this decade, any guesses? From a defending sector, turning out to be a most highest return of the decade is FMCG with 219%, nearly 3x. This is the FMCG index, which is the first. Second is, and if I just look at any surprise, it will really surprise you with the financial services gaining around 270%. And third and final, I'm just taking the top three sector, was the IT with gaining around 225% in this decade. So this was the decade, and I guess most of them would be thinking of that. I would say a defending sector like FMCG turning out to be biggest returns for 2020. I guess it's no brainer. With the COVID-19 or pandemic, pharma stands out to be a best performing sector in the 2020 with more than 50%. So it's around 60%, followed by IT, work from home culture, which is going into our blood now. Data's, internets, all those stuffs has nearly gained around 55%, followed by consumption, which is after 55% to back to 19%. So these are the three sectors which have really formed basing into the 2020 and one of the outperforming. So pharma, what do you think? Could continue the rally? Can we have a vaccine? Still, it's a debate going on, trials been going on, all those stuffs are going on. What we think 2021 would play out, and which sector we think could be the best? One sector where we think, if you look at the historical move based on the technical, I'm just taking the time cycle over here. Metal is the one sector where we think 2021 could see a huge upside uptick. Why? First, I want to explain this chart on your screen. First, if you look at 2012 to 2013, nearly 78 weeks, 78 bars or 78 weeks. And if I just look at the 78, it's a fib number. Second, fall, if you look at right from Jan 2014 to Feb 2016, it took around 88 weeks. Again, a fib number. And if you look at right from 2018 highs to the March of 2020 lows, okay, it is precisely 113 weeks, which means again 113 is a fib number. And what a coincidence. If you look at the fib and you study into the details, such kind of moves give you an amazing reversal. And we have seen March 2020 to end the year for the metal index, it's and V-shaped recovery. And if you look at correlation with the metals, and if in case you haven't seen our correlation by Vijay Mammani, go on to our YouTube channel, search for intermarket analysis by Vijay Mammani, and you can browse the video over there. But if you look at the metal prices are going positive for 2020, and we think that metal would be the one sector where 2021 could be on the name of metals, and we think that it could see a huge uptick from at current level of around 34,000-3500. The previous high was around something around 40 to 50, which might see higher up in 2021, and this could be the one sector you should keep a watch on. So signing off again, happy new year to you all. Brijesh Bhatia, thank you. And in case you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, do click a subscribe button, and do not forget to comment in our on our videos, so that in case we find some interesting comments from you, and in case you want we to cover some of the videos in our upcoming videos, we will definitely look to cover such kind of videos. Thank you. Have a great year. Do not forget to subscribe to my email newsletters Fast Profits Daily, and get a free guide on how to trade markets like pro. Thank you.